Let me take you from Mexico City Center to the beautiful colonia of Coyoacán. I started the day on the Torre Latinoamericana, which is right in the center of the capital. It was the first skyscraper of the capital of Mexico. It's not the highest anymore. From here you can appreciate the mountain Iztaccíhuatl and the volcano Popocatépetl. They are related via a tragic love legend. Next, you can appreciate the beautiful Palacio Bellas Artes. In this theater, you can watch dance folklore from Mexico and also visit a beautiful museum. Mexico City is surrounded by mountains. And right now, it is just after Christmas in 2023. We have not reached 2024 yet. I'm zooming in to the main square of the capital of Mexico City, the Zócalo, where you can see the cathedral and also the really big flag, as well as the main government buildings such as Palacio Nacional. I just jumped on an Uber, which will take me to Coyoacán, which is located in the south of the city. And just have a look at this public transportation bus. It reminds me of my childhood. I used to jump on one of these with my mother and my brother, and now there are not that many left anymore, but I really like their style. And also you can appreciate the beautiful architecture and the atmosphere of Mexico City on this drive. The architecture is clearly influenced by the colonial period that Mexico went through. And just enjoy the ride. Hi friends! After this really cool Uber drive from Mexico City Center, where I visited La Torre Latinoamericana and the Palacio Bellas Artes, we're now in Coyoacán. My name is Calypso and I want to show you around a little bit Mexico City. So now we're located in Coyoacán. Behind me is the Museo Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo has gained a lot of notoriety in the past years because she was an incredible artist and also a feminist. So behind me is her house. Her house is blue, and as you can see, the door is decorated with many flowers because of the 65th anniversary. And there's always a really long line, which you will see right after. And so I really recommend you visiting this museum if you come to Mexico City. I've been already inside twice, I think, so this time I will not visit it from the inside, but it's a great recommendation from me. Let's have a closer look at the Casa Azul. In this Casa Azul, the house of Frida Kahlo, you will find artifacts of her life and also art pieces from Frida Kahlo, as well as pieces of Diego Rivera, who was also a very important artist and muralist in the Mexican history. As you can see, it is beautifully decorated with flowers because of the anniversary. And we'll just quickly walk around the blue house and check out how long the line is. So you will have to buy your tickets in advance to enter and reserve your slot, because see how many people there are. And the museum also offers workshops and different exhibitions. So it's really worth the visit. You'll enjoy it a lot. Yeah, so we will shortly be entering the heart of Coyoacán. Coyoacán is a district or part of Mexico City, which is really known for its culture and for the artists and the history. So if you come to Mexico City, you have to visit Coyoacán. There is also an incredible market to eat and to buy artisanry. And really beautiful square. And so now we'll enter and I will take you with me, but I'm a bit uncomfortable talking and walking, so I'll see how I manage to do it. And yeah, the bus you just previously saw, the red one, if you want to get around and have a visited or guided visit of Coyoacán, I recommend that you jump on one of these buses. So come with me and enjoy. Have a look at this cute bochito. They used to be the taxis in Mexico City, these small Volkswagen. And now we're walking towards the main squares in the center of Coyoacán. And in these streets, or in all the streets here, you can find many food stands, such as this one, where they say elotes and esquites. It's a little bit early, so many food stands are just opening up, just waking up. It's like noon, so a little bit early for the street life in Coyoacán. But let's explore together. As you can see, there's already many people walking around and doing their daily business. We are walking towards the letters of Coyoacán. Many cities and villages in Mexico are decorated with big letters of the name of the location, and people love taking pictures there, and they're always really colorful. So let's do that. Let's check it out. Coyoacán most likely means place of the coyotes in Nahuatl, which is the language of the Aztec people. That's also why you can find a fountain on the other side of the square, which represents two coyotes. We're walking past the Parroquia de San Juan Bautista. This church is at the core of Coyoacán. It was founded by the colonizers a really long time ago, already in 1522, and it was reconstructed a few times since then. It is beautiful from the inside, and now we're walking towards the other side of the square. We just have to cross a really small street, and now you can see the church from the other view. Let me quickly turn around to show you this beautiful square of Coyoacán, and there you can see people walking towards the fountain with the coyotes, which is really popular and always kind of crowded, but at this time it's not that crowded. It's okay, but enjoy the coyotes. People love taking photos here, and it's just a really emblematic place of Coyoacán and Mexico City. Why coyotes, you will ask? Well, because Coyoacán used to be the natural habitat of these animals. According to a legend, a religious person once saved the life of a coyote, and as a sign of gratitude, the coyote used to regularly bring chicken to this religious person. Also, the coyote was an ancient Aztec deity from the Aztec mythology, which was associated with indulgent behavior, partying and storytelling, and had also many folk tales. Now I have an appointment with some friends to have lunch at Corazón de Maguey. This restaurant sells delicious food from the Mexican state of Oaxaca. You can see a tlayuda, for example, and some green mole. Now we're going to walk around Coyoacán together and just have fun and joke around a little bit. Come with us and enjoy. We will be walking past another market. There are quite a few markets in Coyoacán. The market on the left-hand side offers traditional and typical Mexican dishes.
Este es mercado de comida y aquí venden los famosos hot cakes con la cara de Mickey Mouse.
Ah, ¿sí?
Sí, de dibujitos.
Ah, ok.
Permiso. Bueno, digamos. En nuestro lado izquierdo tenemos la cantina, la Coyoacana. ¿Te pareces, no? Ah, no, está bien puesto.
¿Y venden pulque?
No, esto no es porquería.
Ah.
¿Pero te acuerdas que fuimos a una pulquería?
Sí, me acuerdo. Estamos en Coyoacán, en la Plaza Conchita, y acá adelante ven una iglesia que es también de Chueca, como todas las iglesias de México. ¿Y cómo se llaman esas banderitas?
Porque la religión está chueca, es por eso.
La religión está chueca.
Es solamente un reflejo de la gente que está allá adentro.
¿Y cómo se llaman las banderitas estos mexicanos?
Banderitas mexicanas. Papel picado.
Papel picado mexicano, muy lindo. Y
Bueno, estos pueden ser chinos porque ya son de plástico.
sí, ¿verdad? Los importaron. Bueno, estamos dando una vuelta aquí después de comer.
A ver, una vuelta, da una vuelta.
Después de haber comido en el, ¿cómo se llama? El corazón de maguey. Ajá, comemos bien rico y ahora tenemos que bajar la comida antes de ir por un post.
Antes de comer más.
Comer más.
Qué padre. Tarareando los covers que no me sé. Covers tarareados mal hechos. Sí, es México. Aleluya, México. ¡Viva México! Hola. Soy José Vázquez, el nativo de Coyoacán. Síganme en mi canal. Síganme. Coyoacán que Mex.
Have a glimpse of the Hacienda Hernán Cortés. This is a cultural and gastronomical center, also here in Coyoacán. They sell delicious food, and also the yard is really pretty. Apparently it used to be the horse stables of Hernán Cortés and now has multiple functions. ¿Y quién es Hernán Cortés?
Hernán Cortés, mi querida Calypso, fue ese español hijo de la chingada que llegó y engañó a los aztecas, unió a todas las tribus en contra de todos y logró que México se volviera parte de la corona española. Y después de una larga noche de 300 años de luchas y sufrimientos, nos quedamos colonizados por los estadounidenses. Todavía no conocemos la libertad. Ese fue Hernán Cortés. Ten cuidado, te vas a caer.
Next, you can admire the beautiful Escuela Superior de Música. This is a superior school for music in Mexico City. And also close to that is the library called by the name of Elena Garro. If you look closely, the building encapsulates the original building inside. After that, we went to the coffee and chocolate place Tierra Garat. The interior of this place is beautiful, and be aware that this is a chain.
Hay distintos tipos de chocolate. Hay uno que tiene vainilla, otro que tiene pimienta gorda y achote, que esos son interesantes. Otro con jengibre y naranja, chocolate blanco, muchas opciones.
I had a delicious hot chocolate with achiote, and then I said bye to my friends because I want to go to the next food and handicrafts market that is a little bit more down the street. So come with me and enjoy the streets of Coyoacán, and coming up next, the market of Coyoacán. As I said, there are many markets in Coyoacán. For example, this one you can see on the photo is exclusively with handicrafts and beautiful art from Mexico. You can find things for interior design or also jewelry and clothing. So many beautiful things that you will only find in Mexico. We are well into the afternoon and the food stands have opened up. You can find many delicious treats, sweet and salty, such as, for example, these elotes here that look just delicious on the grill. And now we're really close to the market. There are already many stands and people selling outside. They're selling blankets and aprons and everything you need to make your home look beautiful. These alebrijes, for example, in many different shapes of animals and fantastic creatures. And there it is, the market of Coyoacán. Let's go inside and check it out. You can find food to do your weekly shopping, such as fruits and vegetables and nopales, but also you will find food places where you can sit down and have delicious traditional Mexican meals. Look at these huge and really shiny piñatas. They're just so nice. To wrap up the day, I had some delicious quesadillas at Doña Lucha. I really enjoyed them, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well, and see you in the next one. Bye!